What is going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Thought we should talk about Disney stock today because that stock was absolutely on fire, over 4%. And it's pretty ironic because last week we briefed on why we were buying up Disney stock huge. I listed a bunch of reasons why, and we're going to go over a couple of them today because some things have changed that are even better than before. Before I start this video, guys, if you could subscribe, that would mean a ton. Only about 7% of the people who watch this video are actually subscribed. So if we can increase that number up to like 10 or 15%, that would be amazing. But let's just jump right in. First off, Disney just absolutely soared today, over 7 points, almost 7.5, on some pretty big news. Number one being that they are raising their price of ESPN Plus by $1 to $6.99 per month. So again, just a little way to make some more money every year. It's an extra $10, as you can clearly see. People can choose to pay, or they can buy it individually and pay about $7 per month. So pretty interesting that they decided to raise it $1. Was a little confused by it, but as a Disney shareholder, obviously that's pretty good because you're going to be getting more money. Also, JP Morgan came out and reiterated that it's their top pick for 2021 and says the stock can jump even 24% more, which is huge. So you have two really good news pieces come out, and that's what sets up a stock like this that was already undervalued to go up even higher. Also, you have news about their movie Black Widow that just brought in a crazy amount of money, over $60 million in the first week. This is just absolutely insane. A huge winner right here, over $60 million in its opening weekend. So again, just big stuff for Disney. They're making amazing money, and the best is yet to even come. Their Disney Prime numbers are continuing to grow, over 100 million, and they're having to have the reopening again, as we talked about in the last video, such as the parks, the cruises, the movies, all that great stuff that makes Disney such a well-rounded company is all coming to fruition. I think that's why the stock rallied about 4.5% today. So, I'll keep this video brief. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, but essentially, Disney is an amazing stock that is continuing to grow. Market cap about 335 million. Earnings are growing as well. That net income year over year is very, very good. Obviously, you had some trouble in the beginning, this year with the pandemic and their parks and cruises and everything being closed, but they're continuing to grow now, and this Disney Plus thing's just been the biggest profit driver in their company. So as that grows more and we reopen and Disney gets back to normal and thriving, I think this is going to be an amazing stock that you want to own long term. So let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts on the mouse. I actually had some Disney today that I actually locked in some profits on. As you guys can clearly see, how last week I sold 2 puts, and I also did a put credit spread. We locked in profits on all those. Unfortunately, a little bit too early, around 181.5. I just wanted to be safe, lock in like about $500-600, and just be safe because in this market, things can move really, really quickly as we've seen. So I wanted to get my money in, take a nice profit, and I would love to see Disney go back under 180 again, and I can, sell some more puts because this is a company that I would love to hold for the very long term. So we have a lot of cash, a lot of buying power now. As you guys can clearly see right there, 40,000 or 33,000 buying power, and hopefully, or maybe not hopefully, depending on what your positions are, if there is some bit of a crash, we're gonna be able to pick up a lot of stocks such as Disney for the long term. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on all this. Remember to like, subscribe. It means a ton to me. Join our Discord, link in the description below. Love to talk to you all, but just have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.